Soft bakery-style buttery buns recipe. If you love soft, fluffy bakery-style bread, you have to try these homemade buttery buns. They're golden on top, pillowy soft inside and perfect served warm with butter. Start with 1 cup of warm whole milk. Add 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Add the remaining sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually mix in 3½ cups of all-purpose flour until a soft dough forms. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place it in a lightly greased bowl, cover and let it rise for about 1 hour or until doubled in size. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth ball and arrange the buns in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Cover and let them rise again for 30 to 45 minutes until nice and puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Whisk together 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk, then gently brush it over the tops of the buns. Bake for 16 to 20 minutes, or until beautifully golden brown. As soon as they come out of the oven, brush the warm buns generously with melted butter. Let them cool for about 10 minutes, then pull one apart and enjoy that soft, fluffy center. These buttery homemade buns are perfect for Sunday dinner, holidays, sliders, or simply served warm with a little extra butter. Save this recipe and follow iHeartFoodie for more easy homemade recipes.